We are at Sandarac, going to the beach. Beautiful, beautiful community. Look at this beach, look at the sand. Has private shower on the beach, and here are the buildings right sitting on the white sand. Sandarac, right here. Welcome to Sandarac, Unit A611. This is the Breezeway edition. Only the corner units have this extra storage area to the front door. It is screened. You can put beach things and bicycles, anything you want. We're entering the front door now. Let's go right to the view. Carpet is newer, and the owners have added windows and sliders, all storm rated. An upgrade of $15,000. Look at this view. Being a corner, you've got corner windows, and it goes all the way south to Naples views. This is your lanai. You can open your windows and screens and have a screen lanai, or you can leave the sliders as I just did it and have an extension to your living room. Everything is painted freshly with custom neutral colors. The furniture stays. Nice modern dining set here. I'm trying to hurry a little bit because I'm limited to the time. Stainless steel appliances and a beautiful ceiling, all updated without the plastic dome. At the entrance is a nice big laundry room with lots of storage. And now we've got a linen closet right here. We'll walk through to the master bedroom here with a room for a king-size bed if you want. It's a queen right now with 2 windows because it's a corner again. And of course, a room and a view to the Gulf of Mexico. You've got a nice big walk-in closet in here. And here is your master bath with glass and tile to the ceiling. Now we go to the second bath, same thing. Glass doors, tile to the ceiling. And there's your second bedroom with 2 windows and a view to the bay.